Okay, guys, now I'm going to show you how to take the flyers that we have and send them in a JPEG version so we can send it on Instagram. So let's just go through the honor roll. So this is our hanging flyers document. So I got this document open. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the link to access the honor roll. So once I have it open, I'm going to go to our most recent template. So October would be it. And click on this. There's our honor roll doc. So obviously we have to print this out, but at the same time, I need to be able to put this on Instagram. So do a little bit of formatting here. I want everything lined up to the correct side. Once everything's to my liking, I'm going to go to File. I want to make sure, so this is the North, this is the South. I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to Download. Let's download as a PDF. So Download will disperse here. You'll see that come over. My PDF is going to pop up. What I'm going to do, I'm going to minimize this so I can get this thing to one page. Put it down to 50%. Bingo. I'm going to do here, I'm going to go Shift, Command, 4. So if you're using a Mac, it's Command, Shift, 4. Use the company computer. We'll capture this thing evenly. I don't want any gray. Hear the big noise. So that's the North. Here's the South. Chiquitas did a great job of lining this up for me already. At the bottom, Shift 4. Good. Now I need to airdrop these, or I can send them in an email. If you don't know how to send this in an email, you just need to get the fuck out of here. So from here, I'm just going to take this. So there's one. I'm going to take this and I'm going to drop it on the desktop. Then I'm going to take my other one and I'm going to drop that on the desktop. If I can get this computer. Drop this one. AirDrop. Now I got to make sure that the iPhone device that syncs everything is up. It is on. Hopefully my computer can find hers. Might not be able to. Setting AirDrop everyone. There we go. Found a phone. Might take a second. There. Accept it on the phone. There. Accept it on the phone. When it has been sent, you're good to go. Just in case I have somebody that is not computer savvy, or in case we don't have an iPhone, maybe you have an Android, I'm going to go to google.com and I'm going to go to Gmail. I'm going to take those screenshots and I'm just going to send them to the email attached to the phone that is going to post everything on social media. I'm going to click here. Savoyfit@gmail.com. Consistency Club. William. Here are consistency flyers. However you want to say it. I'm going to go to attach files. Honor roll. So it'll be on the desktop because that's where I moved it to. Here's both screenshots. Choose, and then I'm going to click send. Pops up Consistency Club. So this, guys, is again how you get a JPEG version of the flyers to post on social media. You got to get it to the phone that has the account.